Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to link Jira tickets with GitHub. Now, it's a very simple process, but the first thing you want to do is to ensure that you are signed in on Jira. You want to be sure you have your account all signed up. You can either access it via the web or you can simply get it via the App Store. And as soon as you're done accessing that, all you have to do is to basically follow some on-screen prompts and you automatically will be redirected to where you can have your account all set up. As soon as your account is set up, the next thing you want to do is that you head straight to this amazing homepage where you can have your GitHub linked with your Jira ticket. Okay, now for us to do this is a very simple process, and we're getting right into it right about now. All you simply have to do is to head straight to the top bars icon bars of your screen. You can see them, your work, projects, filters, dashboard, teams, more, and create. What you simply have to do is to head straight to the more icon and you just have to click on that. Now, what we are doing basically is to integrate GitHub with Jira. Okay, Jira has to just do with that project management tool that helps things to plan, track, and release, and also support world-class software. Okay, now what you need to do from this place is just simply just click on the apps, and as soon as you have that all clicked, you can see where you have recommended apps for your teams. Like for example, these are apps that probably you might need to work on, or probably they might be synced to what your team does, but then you can choose any of them. But for this purpose of this video, we're headed straight for GitHub, so we're going to move on to explore more apps. You can see that's just above manage your apps and view app requests. Now you're going to just click on that and you'll be redirected to where you can find new applications to integrate and to have it all linked up with your Jira account. Okay, now let's hold on as it's loading. Okay, now that's beautiful. What we'll have to do simply is to type GitHub. It's a very simple process, and as soon as you're done with that, let's click on the enter button. Yeah, amazing. You can see other you have other what's it called, pop-ups, so you just have to be sure which of them exactly you're making use of. And this is the GitHub that we want to make use of now. And that's very simple. Now, for you to be able to have access to all of this, one thing you have to do is to be able to ensure that you are the admin, or you're chatting up your admin, like it's your team lead or your programs lead, to be able to have access to this. Because if you're not an admin, you will not be able to have access to all of these integrations. Okay, so you must ensure that you're either the admin or you have access to this admin view of the Jira application. Now, as soon as you're done with that, you can simply click on get app. You can have it all get app there, and from there you can manage the app. You understand? So, and when you have that all done, okay, you can see it's free, and you can see how many persons have actually installed it, and you can see that's actually very useful. On the underneath here, you can see the app info. You want to find out more about the GitHub, you can simply do all of that. So what you need to do henceforth is just head straight to get it now, and you have it installing. So as soon as it's installed, you can just simply link it up to your okay, to your Jira account. Like you can see right here, yeah, it's all successfully installed. All you have to do is to get started. Now, as soon as you get started, you can manage your GitHub application from here. You can just link it up with your Jira, and you can make whatsoever integrations you want to do with all of this. And for you to do that, next thing you have to do is to set up your account on GitHub too. Okay, you have to have your account all set up on GitHub, and those what's it called now, those details has to be something very different from what you have on Jira. Okay, so all you have to do is to just set it up differently. Is either you have access to the GitHub admin's view, or you have access to the Jira admin view. So you must have the access to the admin view, either on both apps, for you to be able to fully have all of them maneuvered. And as soon as you don't, that all you have to do is to just follow the on-screen prompts and you're good to go. Trust you got so much value from this video. Thank you very much for watching.